Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning the windows you need. Open both apps, documents, or browsers. Click and drag one window to the left or right screen edge until it docks. Snap Assist will show available windows to fill the other half. Once done, click the thumbnail to snap the second app into place. Make sure to use Windows key plus left or right arrow if you prefer keyboard speed. This gets both panes visible, so you can compare, copy, or monitor two tasks simultaneously. Once both windows are snapped, adjust the shared border by dragging that center divider. This lets you allocate more space to one window for detail work. If you hover the Maximize button, you'll see snap layouts offering 2, 3, or 4 grid arrangements. Choose one to reorganize quickly. Also, use Windows key with up or down arrows to move a snapped window into a top or bottom quadrant. These steps let you refine the layout for multitasking, presentations, or side-by-side editing. To finish, drag a window away or press Windows key plus down to unsnap and return to single window view. It's that simple. If Snap Assist didn't appear or snapping feels off, open Settings, go to System, then Multitasking, and enable Snap Windows. Make sure all options are checked. If a particular app won't snap, verify it is not in full screen mode or using its own window manager. This troubleshooting tip fixes most problems, so your split screen works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.